Today, we're breaking down Samsung's brand new Galaxy S26 series, the phone Samsung wants you to upgrade to in 2026. This lineup includes three main models: the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Plus, and the flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra, each with its own strengths and reasons to buy. Let's start with the design and display. All three phones feature Samsung's gorgeous AMOLED panels with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz, meaning smooth animations, responsive scrolling, and vibrant colors whether you're gaming, watching videos, or scrolling social media. The base Galaxy S26 has a 6.3-inch screen. The S26 Plus bumps that up to a 6.7-inch display, and the S26 Ultra goes all the way to a massive 6.9-inch screen with premium brightness and clarity. Under the hood, Samsung didn't hold back. The entire series runs on Samsung's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, providing serious performance boosts in CPU, GPU, and especially AI tasks, making everything faster and more efficient than ever. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or running demanding games, these phones are built to handle it without lag. Next up, cameras. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus come with reliable triple lens systems featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens for crisp photos in most situations. These cameras deliver natural colors and excellent detail whether you're shooting in bright daylight or indoors. The Ultra, however, is on a completely different level. Its quad camera system includes a massive 200-megapixel main sensor with 5x periscope zoom, an ultra-wide lens, and hybrid optical zoom that lets you capture subjects far away without losing quality. Low light performance is also much better this year, thanks to larger sensors and improved image processing, so night photos and videos look clearer and less noisy than before. Samsung even added advanced AI photo tools that help enhance your shots with smart adjustments, perfect for creators who shoot without editing apps afterward. One of the most interesting new features is Samsung's privacy display, which debuted on the S26 Ultra. This technology narrows the screen's viewing angle so that only you can clearly see what's on the screen when you're viewing sensitive content, like banking apps or passwords, a neat extra layer of protection when you're in a public space. Battery life and charging have also improved across the board. The standard S26 gets a solid battery that easily lasts all day. The S26 Plus offers a bigger cell with faster wired charging, and the S26 Ultra supports even faster top-end charging, reaching up to 75% in around 30 minutes, so you spend less time tethered to a wall. Software is another big plus. All three phones launch with One UI 8.5 on Android 16, and Samsung promises up to 7 years of software and security updates, which means these devices will stay fresh and secure for years to come. So, what's the takeaway? Whether you're someone who wants a compact yet powerful daily phone, Galaxy S26, a larger screen for media and multitasking, Galaxy S26 Plus, or absolute flagship performance with the best camera and display features, Galaxy S26 Ultra, there's an S26 for you. Each model brings meaningful upgrades in performance, AI features, battery life, and photography, but the Ultra is the true standout if you want the absolute best Samsung has to offer in 2026.